The product of two numbers is 504. Although neither of the numbers is 6, both are divisible by 6. What is the larger of the two numbers? There are two approaches to solving this, and I'll go through what might be the longer approach first, but it's more general and a more robust method. That is looking at the prime factors of 504 and then building up the potential numbers. So to take the prime factorization of 504, we want to divide by prime numbers iteratively over and over until we're left with only prime. So 504 is an even number. I'll divide by 2. And I know that's 2 times 252. 252 is also even, so I'll divide by 2 again. And that leaves 2 times 126, which is even again. So let's divide by 2 another time. And that results in 2 times 63, which we know is 7 times 9. And 9 in turn is 3 times 3. So now we're down to only prime numbers. 3 times 3 times 7 times 2 times 2 times 2. And we want numbers that are not 6. And we know there are two sets of 2 times 3, which is critical because both numbers must be divisible by 6, which means 2 times 3 must be a factor of each number. So another one is 2 times 3. And that leaves only two numbers left. Right now, there's 6 and 6. What we'll have to do is 6 times the remaining prime factors. 2 equals 12. And the other one will have to be 7 in order that neither is 6. And 6 times 7 is 42. So if I took the factors and again broke them out to 2 times 3 times 7 would be 42, and then 2 times 2 times 3 is 12. The question asks, what is the larger of the two numbers? And that is 42. 42 times 12 equals 504. Neither number, 12 or 42, is 6. But they're both divisible by 6, which is to say 6 or 2 times 3 is a factor of each number. And the largest of the two is 42. So given all those criteria, the correct solution is 42. The second approach is more of a quick and dirty method, and it leverages the answers given. However, it's going to be faster probably than the first approach. And it simply says we need to find the larger of the two numbers. So let's begin testing our answers with the largest one first to see if 42, in this case our largest answer, times some other value that is a multiple of 6 but is not 6 equals 504. Well, we know right away 42 times 10 is 420. And the difference between 504 and 420 is 84. Well, that works out quite nicely. 84 is 2 times 42. And that means 42 times the total, 10 plus 2, 12, equals 504. So 42 does divide evenly into 504. 42 is divisible by 6. 42 divided by 7 equals 6. 12 is also divisible by 6. 12 divided by 2 equals 6. So both numbers are divisible by 6. Neither is 6. The product, 42 times 12, is 504, and 42 is the larger number. So by a quick and dirty approach of testing the answers starting from the largest one, we were able to quickly deduce that 42 is the correct answer, and we didn't even have to go further.